So we're on 11.1, objective 4. This time we're going to do the same thing, but this time we're going to have some solutions which will be non-real. So these two are probably the easiest, so I'm going to skip down and do the two harder ones. Okay, because I write pretty big, I'm just going to write this up here so I have more room. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take the square root of each side. Okay, now we have a square root of a negative number, so remember we're going to write that as I square root of 5. Okay, now I want to go ahead and get the t by itself, so I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides. And then I want to write down my two answers. So my two answers would be negative 6 minus I square root of 5. And then negative 6 plus I square root of 5. Okay, so there's that one. I'm going to do this one too. This is probably the hardest one on here, so let's do this one as well. So again, I'm going to write it up here so I can write pretty big. Okay, so I'm going to first take the square root of each part, of each side, I should say. Okay, I'm going to simplify this. Okay, so I get I, and then 27 is 9 times 3. So this whole thing becomes 3I square root of 3. Okay. So now I want to continue. I want to get this m by itself. So I'm going to add 7 to each side. And now I divide both sides by 4. And in fact, I'm just going to separate these. Usually they write like this in most books. So I'm going to write it like that because that's typically how they leave the answer. Okay, so my two answers would be one's the minus and one's the plus. So remember, when it's a complex number, you want to write the a and the b separate. The a plus bi. There's the first one, and then here's the other one. Ignore this part, I'm sorry. Okay. So there you go.